Hey everybody, this is going to be a review of the alert system from Traderead. I'm going to cover all the different alerts that Traderead offers through this Discord channel. They're going to be offering a web UI here very soon too. Be a little bit more in depth than the Discord UI, but I'm going to go down with the different alerts here. You got the analyst ratings, you have the earnings, you have the black box alerts variation, you have the price spaking, you have the option sweeps, you have the movers, the management and contracts, small cap trending, and some other ones. So if you want a combination of like black box stocks, you want a combination of all these other fancy tools and alert systems, it's all going to be offered here at Traderead. Little descriptions here you could check out in the link below, but just pretty quickly here. A lot of them are common sense. You got the analyst ratings, upgrades, downgrades. You got general earnings of things coming up, black box alerts, ups and downs, breakouts, things like that. You got price spiking, reactions to a fast moving stock. If it just keeps going up and up and up, you'll get the alerts right there in the alert system on Discord. Got the option sweeps. Option sweeps are very helpful, but sometimes they can be a little bit iffy depending on the stock. And if you don't quite understand all that, it can be iffy as well. But it's definitely worth checking out, and it's very helpful to those that do follow along with options. If you want a quick scalp here and there, the movers are pretty self-explanatory of stocks that are potentially moving on given news, whatever, different catalysts, things like that. Management contracts, if there's a big change in management, something to that regard, or a merger, things like that. Small cap, it's pretty self-explanatory, catalyst related. Trending stocks, of course, are very important, popular, talked about, etc. And I could do a little bit more of a breakdown here for you. You got the options sweep here. As you can see, just different option sweeps that's happened over time here. The most recent one here, got some other ones here from Philip Morris and some different calls, etc., etc. Sometimes there are viable alerts. You got put sweeps here from AMD, you got a call sweep here from Microsoft. Mix of different companies, just to give you an idea. Going on to the breakout alerts, black box type of thing. And you can see the different alerts coming in here all throughout the day on what was valuable, what was not. And most importantly, you can notice that these are after hour alerts as well. A lot of alert systems don't offer after hours for updates. Earnings is pretty self-explanatory, whether it's a hit or miss, quick reference, and you can set up alerts on Discord pretty easily. You got the different analyst ratings from upgrades, downgrades, and so have you. Pretty self-explanatory. Management and contracts, same thing here. Different changes in management, different contracts, mergers, things like that already mentioned. And you got different small cap news, different kind of news sources right here at your fingertips from the news alerts. Got a news feed here, just more miscellaneous related news. Tech specific news and alerts. Price spiking as mentioned earlier. You can see the different reactions throughout the day. And going down to the movers here, kind of highlights of what's moving in the morning, what's moving in the after hours. As you can see here, it's highlighting different movers there. And you got the earnings whispers. That's just, pretty nice to have for upcoming earnings. One of the best, I feel, in charts and indicators for tickers to follow, things like that. If you want to consider this here, some of these are free alerts, some of these are membership related alerts. Trade has different structures here. Traderead's first one here is 20, 100, and 200, and with their web UI coming up, it'll be like a combination of black box stocks and all of these other fancy alert systems, but it's all comprised into one specific alert system. It's highly recommended checking out. I'll be covering the web UI here a little bit later on, but if you want some more information, check out the link below and contact Amani. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but to just give him a holler here on Discord. He's pretty easy to find. He's the admin for this particular Discord channel. Thanks for listening in and have a nice day.